The only way to guarantee meaningful positive change in the next 365 days around the sun is to exit your comfort zone and relentlessly attack your goals. That's what MKBHD, a millionaire tech YouTuber, tweeted to millions of followers on the brink of a new year, a reminder that true transformation doesn't happen in our comfort zones. Imagine if you adopted that mindset for the next 12 months, not just chasing dreams, but relentlessly attacking the goal of becoming a millionaire. This isn't a passive journey, it's a full-speed sprint. I'm about to lay out exactly what you need to do, step by step, to hit that $1 million mark. Step 1. Set your financial goal and map it out. Think of your $1 million goal as a mountain you're climbing, and every step you take is carefully calculated. Start by reverse engineering how you'll reach $83,333 per month and $2,740 per day. This specific breakdown keeps you accountable and gives you the power to track if you're on target. Setting a goal. This ambitious means you need both a plan and the discipline to follow it. Break it into quarters. For the first 3 months, aim for $10,000 per month to set up a strong foundation. In months 4 through 6, aim to double that to $20,000 per month as you leverage what's working. By the final quarter, aim for a monthly income closer to $40,000 as you scale aggressively. This plan ensures you're not only striving for the final goal, but also hitting measurable targets along the way. Make sure to like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. It helps the algorithm too. Now on to step 2, find a high-income skill and maximize it. Identify a skill where you can stand out and demand high rates. For instance, in sales, especially high-ticket sales like selling software or financial products, you can earn 5-figure commissions from a single deal. Or, if you have a knack for digital marketing, you can offer to drive leads for businesses that are willing to pay for results. Charging on a performance basis rather than a flat rate could multiply your income. Learning these skills can be a challenge, but it's a one-time investment that pays repeatedly. Start by consuming free content, like YouTube tutorials or blogs, and then advance to paid courses and mentorships if needed. The higher your skill level, the more you can charge, so invest in honing it. Don't shy away from cold emailing potential clients, networking at events, or creating an online portfolio that showcases your value. Step 3. Build a business or side hustle with high potential. Launching a scalable business means choosing one that doesn't demand more time as you grow. E-commerce, for instance, allows you to leverage digital tools, outsource fulfillment, and automate marketing. If you're already skilled in an area like marketing or web development, you could create a digital agency, hiring other freelancers to handle projects while you focus on scaling. Once you've chosen your business, research the market demand thoroughly. For example, if you're launching a dropshipping business, identify profitable niches with low competition and high potential for repeat customers. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to study search trends. When you find a winning product, consider strategies like upselling, cross-selling, and email marketing to maximize every sale. Step 4. Master the art of sales and negotiation. Sales are the backbone of any high-income strategy. To be a great salesperson, it's essential to understand human psychology, what motivates people, what their pain points are, and how your product or service can serve them. Whether you're selling a product or pitching your own services, the goal is to make your offer too valuable to refuse. Practice and repetition are key here. Try role-playing sales scenarios with friends or colleagues, and track your conversions meticulously to see where you can improve. When negotiating, learn to present your offer confidently. Studies show that people are more likely to say yes when presented with limited-time offers or exclusive deals, so use this psychology to your advantage. And always remember, a well-negotiated deal today means repeat business tomorrow. Step 5. Leverage the power of networking. Networking doesn't mean just collecting business cards. It's about creating mutually beneficial relationships. Attend events in your industry, connect with thought leaders on LinkedIn, and engage with people who inspire you on social media. Aim to build connections with people who are further along the path. These individuals often have valuable insights and, at times, opportunities. When networking, listen more than you talk. Take genuine interest in others' goals and look for ways to help. Offering assistance, even in small ways, can set you apart and foster goodwill. Over time, these relationships can lead to partnerships, investments, and introductions to high-value clients. Step 6. Diversify with passive income streams. Diversifying with passive income is essential for consistent growth. Let's break down some passive income options further. Dividend stocks. Choose high-yield dividend stocks or ETFs that pay quarterly or monthly. These require upfront capital but offer stable income over time. Reinvest dividends to maximize growth and take advantage of compounding. Real estate crowdfunding. If buying property outright isn't feasible, try real estate crowdfunding platforms, where you can invest smaller amounts in properties managed by professionals. This provides the benefits of real estate income without the hassle of property management. Creating online courses. If you're skilled in a particular field, create a course that provides real value. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to sell courses on a range of subjects, from personal finance to fitness. Once uploaded, a course can generate income without further input. To optimize your passive income strategy, diversify across several streams, rather than relying on a single source. This spreads your risk and increases your chances of high returns. Step 7. Ruthlessly track your finances. Create a daily tracking system. Every day, log your income, expenses, and investment returns to stay focused. Categorize your finances to distinguish between business investments, personal expenses, and savings. Having this data on hand is empowering because it allows you to make real-time adjustments. For example, if you're spending more on advertising for your business than anticipated, you can catch it quickly and adjust. If you notice a spike in one income stream, consider reinvesting that money to enhance that particular area. Financial tracking apps like Mint or YNAB can be useful here. You need this level of insight if you want to hit your $1 million target without losing focus. Step 8. Invest aggressively and wisely. The stock market can be one of the quickest ways to build wealth, but it requires a level of risk tolerance and strategy. Consider growth stocks in industries like tech or healthcare, where innovation is driving up value. However, don't ignore lower risk options like index funds. These funds offer diversity and can balance out the volatility of single stocks. If you have a higher risk tolerance, explore cryptocurrency or peer-to-peer lending, but be prepared for the volatility that comes with these investments. For more stable returns, look into bonds or treasury notes. Mix high risk with stable investments to create a portfolio that aligns with your goals. Step 9. Optimize every dollar and avoid personal debt. Every dollar counts, so cut expenses that don't directly serve your millionaire journey. For personal expenses, live frugally. Avoid lifestyle inflation even if you start making more money. Track your monthly spending and continually look for areas to reduce costs. For instance, cook at home rather than dining out, cut unnecessary subscriptions, and negotiate bills where possible. Put every dollar saved into your investments or business, maximizing your potential for growth. Also, keep credit utilization low and avoid using debt for anything but essential investments that yield returns. Step 10. Create multiple income streams and scale them. Let's get deeper into how you can create multiple income streams. If you're running a successful online business, branch out into content creation or consulting to leverage your expertise. With content creation, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliates. Consulting allows you to share your knowledge at a premium. It can make you tens of thousands of dollars every month with just one client. Consider each income stream as a leg of your financial table. For example, if you're an e-commerce business owner, add consulting services for budding entrepreneurs. Additionally, monetize a blog or YouTube channel where you share your journey. Aim for at least 3 streams of income, each capable of generating 5 figures. This diversity can protect you if one income source slows down. Step 11. Stay consistent and keep momentum. Consistency is what separates successful millionaires from those who fall short. Some days will be harder than others, but resilience is essential. Remind yourself why you started and stay disciplined. Each day, commit to doing something that directly contributes to your goal, whether it's reaching out to a new client, refining a product, or optimizing your finances. If you find yourself struggling, create a vision board with visual reminders of your goals, or set regular check-ins with a mentor who can help you stay accountable. Building a millionaire mindset means focusing on progress, not perfection. As long as you're making strides every day, you're moving closer to your goal. Becoming a millionaire in 1 year is ambitious, but with the right plan, focus, and relentless execution, it's achievable. However, if you get trapped in any financial mistakes on your journey, it becomes impossible. Check out the video on your screen to find out how to avoid these 3 huge financial mistakes right now.